Hey guys, we just put on this new lip gloss and I made it with my own makeup.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm just doing my makeup for a TikTok, and of course Paige is here, y'all.
You know,
and she made some lip gloss. Show me a lip gloss she made.
And we put them on and it looks so pretty full. So comment below if you want to try it. And Mom, you know what to say.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Not that too, but it's something else. It is, you guys, if you guys want to try it, put in Mom lip gloss and Paige.
So what's up, beauties? Y'all see me right now. Y'all excuse the way the camera is sitting. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I thought it was recording me the whole time. So excuse this part, y'all, but y'all can see me. I'm just concealing my under eye. If y'all know me, my favorite concealer is still LA Girls Concealer. Like, I like that concealer, don't get me wrong. I use my Tarte, I use my Juvia's Place, and I use my e.l.f. y'all. So it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day. But anyway, beauties, what's been up with y'all? I have missed y'all so much, and y'all, I am going to be dropping bangers on top of bangers on top of bangers. So if you would like to be shouted out, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. I will shout your channel out in my next video. I am going to be posting y'all because it's that time. Do y'all know it's only 5 more months until 2024? So what? 2024 will not catch me lacking. You feel me? I'm gonna be prepared. I'm gonna be consistent. But anyways, y'all, this is me showing y'all the shade and the shadow that I was going for. Y'all, this look came out super cute. So make sure y'all stay to the end so y'all can see. And look at that blend. Y'all need to make sure that y'all are blending. Blending is key. Some of y'all wonder why y'all makeup be giving clown. It's giving clown, sis, because you're not blending. I'm gonna need you to blend. So y'all gonna see me go in with my Juvia's Place palette, y'all. Don't know the name. Okay, it's the Saharan blush palette. But anyways, y'all, I'm going in with that deep dark brown. If you got the palette, then you know. If you don't, head over to Juvia's Place, or y'all can even go to Ulta, because y'all know they in Ulta and they are a black-owned business, y'all. So I do not mind showing love to my black-owned businesses, because y'all know I am a black-owned business. And if you don't know, you know now. So go online, www.beminkedbeauty.com, and get your lashes. What's taking you so long, sis? Go ahead and get your lashes. We got lashes, we got lip gloss, we got sunglasses, we got press-on nails now. You know, we got a lot of things going on over there. So you might just want to check us out. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all vibe into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so this is how far I've gotten with my makeup. I just did my concealer. I was getting ready to set, and I thought I'd come tell you guys about these new products that I just ordered that I got in the mail. The company is One Size. I believe it's by Patrick Star, but I don't do no free promo, so. But anyways, y'all, no, I got the translucent powder. I got the On Till Dawn spray, and then I got the Go Off spray, and then I got two packs of the white, and I also got some mascara. This was free. They put this in here. I did not order this. It was just like a freebie that they were giving. So I really thought that was neat. So yes, y'all, I'm excited to use this translucent powder to go ahead and set my face.
Blank Beats Production.
Josh P with a
The only thing I don't be liking, I'm like, how do we get the powder out? You know what I'm saying? So, hold on. I'ma just tap it in the top. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna set and see what happens. Okay, y'all. I was supposed to come back and show y'all how I was doing. But y'all, as a mom, this what I've been going through. Okay. So I kind of just am all over the place. I didn't even decide what lashes I was gonna wear just yet. I know I want like either do bombshell or I don't know y'all what kind of lashes I wanted to use. These are cute. Okay, I decided to go with baby girl. You can never go wrong with baby girl, okay? Where's my other lash? And y'all, I really wish I could do my own under eye without crying, y'all. That's goals for me. Okay, y'all. Finish look. Now you have to do my lipstick. What I want to use. But y'all, if I could really like execute the under eye mascara look, oh my god, I would be so happy. I don't be wanting to cry. Oh, 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 oh. Y'all, okay. It's really blacked out right there. Y'all, ooh. perfect, but you can see something. Okay, because before you couldn't see nothing. Then if I would have did the eye thing, but the eye thing, we gon', you know what I'm saying? Baby steps, baby steps. Baby steps, y'all. Baby steps. I was so mad, y'all. NYX did not have the shade I was looking for. I was looking for fortune cookies. Sold out. Y'all went to Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, and Target. I wanted it that bad. Because I knew it would have made my look, you know? They were sold out. I'm about to down my here. Okay, y'all. What y'all think? Can y'all see the under eye I did? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna style it. Y'all, not too much on the lace. Not too much. But yeah.